Hello, good evening, brother and sister, or brothers and sisters. I am Frances Katigbak. I am from Lipa, Batangas, and I would like to extend my services to you. I am the current president of St. Paul Square in our city. I also am the Pangulo of Lipa City Farmers Federation, and since 2018, I have been part of the community of the Neo Catechumenal Way, serving as a cantor. Um, the people around me or whom I have talked to already or have been coaching or they have been my coaches said that I have the gift of gab. So I would like to offer my speakership, talent, skills, if in case you cannot commit to any of uh, the ones listed in your schedules. I am very willing to replace you. But the thing is, right now I am not in the Philippines, but I can do it online. Um, my expertise in topics that I can be much of use would be, of course, in sales marketing. Since I have been a wellness coach in 2014, I can also help in uh, wellness coaching, lifestyle, and almost any topic that could relate to betterment of yourself, except some higher math topics. I have not discussed such. So, again, please let me know if you need any of my services, and I'm very much willing to help. I will be in the Philippines mid December up until January, and by then I would know my travel schedules. I think before the year ends. So that will be all. Please consider or remember to contact me if ever you need my help. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God loves you.